Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, select this image PNG layer and drag and drop into the composition. In this time, let's create a new background layer with solid. Add name background, click OK, and move to behind of image layer, and go to Effects presets, search Effect Gradient Ramp. Select Gradient Ramp, use for background layer, and choose color and color like this. Click OK. And let's go to Solo, choose here ramp shape, radial ramp, and swap colors, and move to down these points. Also ramp scatter 100, and go to Effects presets, search Effect Noise. Select Noise, use for background, and right amount of noise 25. So in this time, let's create new background layer, add name grid, click OK, and go to Effects presets, search Effect Grid, choose grid, use for grid layer, and size form, choose here with slider, and change slider, and opacity. Okay, so in this time, let's unsolo layers and select two layers and click lock. And select image layer, let's move to center like this, and select image layer, let's click for turn on 3D layer, and let's right click new and create new camera tool, and I will use preset 15mm, click OK, and let's open inside and transform, and I will use camera movements with these three icons. Also we can press C for shortcut. Let's create new keyframe, all of them these keyframes, and go to 7 seconds and press C or click this dolly. Let's zoom to like this and press C and change view like this. Let's zoom more. Okay, and let's preview animation. Okay, this is very slowly. Let's select these two keyframes, right click, keyframe assistant and easy, or click F9, and go to graph editor, select these last keyframes and move to left for better zoom animation. Let's see. Okay, this is much more slowly. Select first keyframes, move to left more. Nice. So back to keyframes, and in this time let's select this image layer, press R, open rotation, and go to 4 second. Let's create X, Y, Z rotation, go to last second and change Y rotation like this, and X rotation and Z rotation. Let's see. Okay, let's go to last keyframe and press C. Let's move up and zoom to more, and let's see again. Okay, that's good. And right now let's close this transform, open camera option and enable default field, and aperture let's write here 125, and change focus distance for see full image, and create focus distance keyframe, and go to here. Let's change distance like this. Okay, and go to next keyframes here and change for read this text. Okay, and last keyframe change like this for read this part. Nice. And let's change blur level like this, and aperture 150. Nice. And let's change distance here like this. Okay, and here let's Select last keyframe, delete, and go to here, change distance, and go to next keyframes, and last keyframe. Okay. Also, let's go to here, let's create aperture keyframe and go to here for change aperture area, and here, and last keyframe, change like this. Okay, so let's preview animation. Okay, that's good. I like it. We can create website and news animations with this technique, and it's very easy way for use camera animations. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.